This dance is called When I Hear That Twang. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, easy beginner level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. No weight on the left, so we can step the left back. Touch the right heel forward. There's again no weight on that touch step, so we can now go into a step, lock, step, right foot leading. So we're going to step forward on the right, lock the left behind the right, step forward on the right, brush that left through. So when we're doing the brush, it's gentle contact with the ground, with the ball of the foot. That set of steps once more then. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. We're going to add on a mambo step. We're going to put a turn into this one as well. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight back on your left, make a quarter turn to the left as you step that left to the side. So that is your mambo quarter turn. Having stepped the left to the side, it is slightly forward of the right foot, so the right foot can now sweep around. So as you do this sweep, you're bringing the right foot from the back, round to the front, and we're just making gentle contact with the ground with that foot, all the way round. Into a jazz box with a cross. So we're going to cross that right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. That's our jazz box with a cross. So that set of steps once more then. Mambo, turn, off on that left. 7, 8. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Add on some scissor steps. So we're going to step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, cross the right over the left. That is your scissor step. Side, close, cross. Then we're going to hold. And we're going to repeat with the left foot. So we step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, cross the left over the right, hold. So it's a right scissor step, hold, left scissor step, hold. Doing that section once more then, those scissor steps. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, cross, hold, side, close, cross, hold. So we'll actually be calling that out as a scissor step when we actually do the dance. So let's add that to the top. Step touch off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. So that's your side, close, cross on your scissor step. To finish the dance, we're going to put a back rumba box on. So you step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right back, hold. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, brush that right through. So again, remember, it's just gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. So that's our back rumba box. Try that once more. Off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, brush. So normally you either have two holds or you have touches in the middle. With this one we've got a hold and a brush at the end. So that's the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, brush. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, brush. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, brush, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. Mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross. Scissor, step, side, close, back, side, close, step, brush. So hopefully you managed to follow that. Especially as I missed out the holds in that last wall. Just put a little pause in there, gives me a little bit of breathing space as well. So that's your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 5, which is the first time you get back to the front wall, halfway through the dance after 16 counts. So before you do your scissor steps, you will have just done your jazz box cross and you restart the dance at that point. So wall 5, like I say, the first time you get back to the front wall, so it is our front wall, let's take you up to 16 counts and restart the dance. Step, touch, off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush, mambo, turn, sweep, cross, back, side, cross, restart, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush. So hopefully you can see how that restart fits in. Wall 5, after 16 counts. I'll shout it out when we get to it when music's on. So that's it. That is your dance. That's your walkthrough. It's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush, mambo, turn, cross, back, side, cross, scissor, step, scissor, step, side, close, back, side, close, step, brush, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush, mambo, turn, cross, back, side, cross, scissor, step, step, side, close, back, side, close, step, brush, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush, mambo, turn, cross, back, side, cross, scissor, step, scissor, step, side, close, back, side, close, step, brush, step, touch, back, heel, step, lock, step, brush, mambo, turn, cross, back, side, cross, scissor, step, scissor, step, side, close, back, side, close, step, brush, step, touch, your restart wall, mambo, turn, cross, back, restart, step, touch, mambo, scissors, map mode. Scissors. Run back. Step to left. Map mode. Scissors. Run back.
Always makes me feel it, like I wanna pack my bags and playlist, and I can go to Bakersfield. It makes me wanna go to Bakersfield, walk the streets. They're the same things that I must have felt with my own 2 feet. When I hear that twang, it always makes me feel it. Like I wanna pack my bags and playlists, and I can go to Bakersfield. Yeah, I wanna pack my bags and playlists and hang and go to Bakersfield.
Hope you managed that one.